Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about assertion error and how we can handle assertion error in Python. So an assertion error in Python occurs when an assertion fails. Assertions are usually used to verify that certain conditions are met during the program execution. It's like starting an assumption and checking if it holds true or not. And if it does not, an assertion error is raised. For example, if you assert that a list should not be empty before performing operation on it, but it turns out to be empty at the runtime, and then you will have an assertion error will occur. So consider a scenario where you are writing a function to calculate the average of a list of numbers. Before calculating, you assert that the list is not empty to avoid the division by zero. If the list is unexpectedly empty during the execution, the assertion or your assertion fails and Python raises an assertion error. So let's do it by the example. So what we are going to do is that we are going to define a function that will calculate the average of numbers. Okay, so we'll say definition, or we are defining the function with the def. We'll put calculate average, and as an argument we'll take numbers, and then I'm going to put assert length of numbers is greater than 0. So over here we have a assumption saying that the length of the list that we are getting as an input in calculate average function is not empty, or the list is not empty. Okay, then we are going to take a variable total, and then we are going to put sum of numbers, which is my argument in calculated average function. Then I'm going to calculate average equal to total, which is my sum, divided by length of this numbers. Okay, and then I'm going to, okay, this, there is a mistake of indentation, so let me correct it. Okay, then I'm going to return average. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put a try block saying that within this try block I have numbers. Okay, and I'm going to pass an empty list. Then I'm going to put average is equal to, I'm going to take this function and put it over here, and I'm going to take this empty list and put it over here as the argument. Okay, now I'm going to print the average saying that f, and then I'm going to put the average is, and then I'm going to put average over here. Okay, as we have given the try block, we have to give the except block now. So I'm going to put except assertion error as e, and I'm going to print saying that hey user, assertion error occurred, and then I'm going to put this e. Okay, so now if I run this cell, okay, there is a error. I have not given, or I have not closed this curly braces, so I've closed it now. So let's again run this, and now I'm getting hey user, assertion error occurred. Okay, so what is happening in this code? So in this code, the calculate average function asserts that the length of the numbers, which is a list, is greater than 0 before performing the calculation. If the list is empty when the function is called, the assertion fails and an assertion error is raised. The except block catches this error and prints a message indicating the assertion that failed. This allows the program to handle unexpected conditions and provide informative feedback to the user or developer. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.